Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's discuss some of the current and static MCQs for prelims 2020. Let's get into the question. First question, guess the species. First statement, it added to appendix 1 of sites in CMS COP 13. Second statement, it is one of the indicator species in Ganga and Brahmaputra valley. Third statement, it is a critically endangered species. Fourth statement, it is very well known for its mating dance. Fifth statement, largest population is found in Manas National Park. Here we need to guess the species. Here they are telling, in the fourth statement they are telling that it is famous for mating dance, so it should be a bird. So jaguar and white tip shark will be eliminated, so we are left with B and D. So here the option is B, the Great Indian Bustard, and the Manas National Park is found in Assam. The UNEP 13th Conference of Parties on Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals concluded in Gandhinagar on 2nd February 2020. The theme was Migratory Species Connect the Planet and We Welcome Them Home. The mascot was Great Indian Bustard. India, as COP 13 host, has assumed the role of COP presidency for 3 years. There were 7 more species added to Appendix 1 of CITES during this conference. Those species are the Asian elephant, jaguar, the Indian bustard, the Great Indian bustard, Bengal florican, little bustard, Antipodian, albatross, and ocean white-tipped shark. Next statement. Next question. Recognize the famous personality of the Indian independence movement. First statement. He first arrived on the national census after the cross-examining the British colonial expenditure at Welby Commission. Second statement. He was a member of Bombay Legislative Council and Imperial Legislative Council, and he played a key role in Government of India Act 1909. Third statement. Mahatma Gandhi described him as he was pure as crystal, gentle as lamb, brave as lion, and most important man in the political field. Here these statements are describing about the Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So the option will be B. Gopala Krishna Gokhale, the founder of the Servants of Indian Society in Pune, founder of Deccan Sabha. Gokhale first arrived on the national census after cross-examining the British colonial expenditure at Welby Commission, founder of Hitavada English Daily, and he was considered as a mentor and political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Which of the following are correctly matched? Jemu Glacier, Uttarakhand, Chota Sigri Glacier, Himachal Pradesh, Siachen Glacier, Jammu and Kashmir. Here the correct options are Chota Sigri Glacier, Himachal Pradesh, Siachen Glacier, Jammu and Kashmir. So the option will be B. Jemu Glacier is the largest glacier in the eastern Himalayas. It is located at the base of Kanchenjunga in the Himalayan region of Sikkim. The glacier is the source of water for numerous rivers as it feeds them when it melts. One of the famous river is Tista River, and I have given the link for Glaciers of India. Look into it. Which of the fourth question, which of the following are correctly matched? Changpa, Jammu and Kashmir, Katkari tribes, Maharashtra, Asur, Jharkhand. Here Changpa is not Jammu and Kashmir, it is in Ladakh. Katkari tribe Maharashtra and Asur in Jharkhand, both are correct. So the answer will be 2 and 3, option B. Changpa of Ladakh, they are the pastoral nomadic tribes. Usually they speak Changsta, a dialect of Tibetan language, and they follow Tibetan Buddhism. Next question. Consider the following statement. In West Bengal, farmers grow 3 crops of set crop called Aus, Aman and Boro. But in Himalayas and northwestern part of the country, it is grown as a Kharif crop during southwest monsoon season. The above statement holds true for which of the crop? Here these statements are speaking about the crop paddy. So the option will be A. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are Aus, Aman and Boro, but in Himalayas and northwestern parts of the country it is grown as a kharif crop during southwest monsoon season. There is a notice. Today UPSC released notification on rescheduling of UPSC Prelims 2020 and it is scheduled to be held on 4th October of 2020. Thank you friends. These are the questions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's see tomorrow with few more questions.